Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove a friend request in Snapchat. Whether you have accidentally added someone or just changed your mind, I'll guide you through the process. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now tap on Bitmoji or profile icon in top left corner. And this will open your profile. And scroll down your profile and go to the friends section. And here you can see add friends. Tap on it. And now you can see tweeters on top right corner. Tap on it. Then choose recently added, and here you can see the friend request you have sent or received. I only have one. Now tap on the Bitmoji of your friend and this will open the profile. Now again tap on three dot in top right corner, and here you can see manage friendship. Tap on it, then tap on remove friend and confirm it, and by tapping in remove again, and they are removed. And that's how we can remove a friend request on Snapchat. It's simple and effective way to manage your connection on the app. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one.